OnePlus 11R comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This processor is great in terms of handling day-to-day tasks and even gaming too. But the main concern is about the heating. Does this processor heat up during usage? My opinion is yes, if you play heavy games. Not only this mobile, if in case you are playing a lot of graphic intended games, then you observe heating issues in that mobile, no matter which mobile you are using. It's predictable in every mobile. So in short and sweet, the processor is good and you notice some heating issues during the heavy gameplay. This OnePlus 11R comes with a 6.74-inch Fluid Full HD Plus display supported for a 120Hz screen refresh rate. This mobile comes with a 90% screen to body ratio. That means you see fewer bezels all over the display. That's a great thing. Display quality wise, it's good according to the specs. You can use it in direct sunlight or indoors. And by the way, this is an HDR10 Plus certified screen and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Come to the cameras, this mobile comes with a good camera setup on the back. The main camera is a 50 megapixel with an aperture of f1.8, followed by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with an aperture value of f2.2 and a 2 megapixel macro camera with an aperture of f2.4. By using the back cameras, you can record videos at maximum of 4K 30 or 60 fps. On the front, it's a 16 megapixel camera with an aperture value of f2.4 and you can shoot videos at a maximum of 1080p 30 fps. The cameras are good according to the specs, especially the back ones, but there is no 4K recording option on the front as many of the users use the front cam mostly for photos and videos. Overall, the cameras are good and the front camera is okay. Out of the box, this OnePlus 11R comes with Android 13 and Oxygen OS 13. According to the OnePlus, this mobile is supported for a maximum of 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security updates. So you can get Android 16 on this mobile, and the concern here is whether it is the time to time. My answer is not sure, because nowadays some mobile brands are promising users that they release updates time to time for a particular mobile, but it's not. The software update policy is good, but time to time updates, I don't have 100% guarantee on this. If any OnePlus users are watching this video, let me know through the comments whether you are getting time to time updates for your mobile or not. This OnePlus 11R is packed with a 5000 mAh battery that is supported for 100 watts wired charging, and there is no wireless charging feature is there in this one. And one more thing, a 100 watts 2 per Whoop charger is provided in the box. You don't need to buy it separately. Kudos to OnePlus. Also, I think OnePlus is the only one of the brands that is providing chargers in the box itself. Some users found heating issues in this mobile as it is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. See guys, if you are using mobiles for extreme levels, you observe heating issues no matter what the price. If in case your mobile is getting heated even during normal usage, then there is something fishy. Maybe the processor is bad, or the software optimization is bad, or you are running so many apps in the background, or due to the bug in the software update. Come to some extra features that are available and not available in this OnePlus 11R, or this mobile is not officially IP rated. Number 2, NFC option is available. Number 3, there is no extra micro SD card slot is there to increase the storage. Number 4, under display fingerprint sensor is there. Number 5, stereo speakers are available, and number 6, there is no 3.5 headphone jack support is there. Come to inbox contents, these are the things you get in the box. OnePlus 11R 5G smartphone, Super Whoop power adapter, Type-C cable, quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, screen protector pre-applied, protective case, SIM tray ejector. So finally, the verdict, whether this mobile is good to buy or not for this price. The straight answer is yes, you can, and some things you need to mind before checking out the OTP. Just think twice about the features that are bad or not available in this mobile, which I already shared from the start of this video. If in case these problems doesn't matter to you, then you can buy this mobile. Choose wisely and don't regret after buying it. Also, one big help from you guys, if in case you are buying anything from Amazon, try to buy through the affiliate link in the description box. It helps the channel. Thanks in advance for your support. Many of you are already doing this and supporting this channel. For each and every one who is buying anything from those links, thank you so much for your support and love. See you in the next one. Take care.